Good morning, students. Once again, I bring one new video for you. In this video, we will discuss different subtraction stories. So let's start. Start with the properties of. So in your PDF, you are having some examples of properties of subtraction. First is 42,875 minus 0 is equal to dash. As you know, the property of 0, when we subtract 0 from any number, the number itself will be the answer. So it means 42,875 minus 0 is equal to 42,875. Next is 69,455 minus dash is equal to 69,455. Now what will be subtracted to get the same number? Yes, we will subtract the 0 to get the same number. So 69,455 minus 0 is equal to 69,455. So our next blank is dash minus 0 is equal to 89,674. So as we know that same number, if we subtract from 0, the answer will be itself, number itself. So 89,674 minus 0 is equal to 89,674. Next is we will take some more big number. 7,56,321 minus dash is equal to 7,56,321. So now again, if we subtract 0 from the number, the difference will be number itself. So 7,56,321 minus 0 is equal to 7,56,321. Next E part is dash minus 36,732 is equal to 0. Now as a difference we want 0. What we will do? We will subtract the same number. Okay? If you are, suppose you are having 10 toffees, that 10 toffees you have given to your sister, then you are having 0 na? Similarly, this property is applicable here. So 36,732 minus 36,732 is equal to 0. Next is again in F part, two numbers are same, and if we subtract the same numbers we get 0 as a difference. So we can say that 2,48,325 minus 2,48,325 is equal to 0. So, but make sure while doing the mathematics that you will read the numbers aloud, so that you will be able to read the numbers. Okay? So let's check these blanks once again. So now let's take a recap of all the filling the blanks. First is 42,875 minus 0 is equal to 42,875. Next is 69,455 minus dash is equal to 69,455. Yes, we subtract the 0 from this number to get the same number. Next is 89,674 minus 0 is equal to 89,674. As we subtract same number from 0, we get the same number. Next is 7,56,321 minus dash is equal to 7,56,321. When we subtract 0 from the number, we get the number itself. Next is 36,732 minus 36,732. Means when we subtract the same numbers, we get the 0 as a difference. Next is 2,48,325 minus 2,48,325 is equal to dash. Dash will be 0 because we subtract the same numbers. These are the properties of subtraction. Now, if we are having the numbers like in a row, then how could we solve them? Arrange the given numbers in column. First of all, we have to arrange these numbers in columns and find the difference. So what we will do first of all, we will write the place value of the table, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. From these, as we know that the larger number will be the minuend and we write it on the above side. So here 1,23,450 and here is 3,45,675. So 3,45,675 will be on the above side as a minuend, and smaller number is 1,23,450 is the subtrahend, will be below. Now we start subtraction. 5 minus 0 is possible? Yes. 5 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. We can count it on the fingers as we have discussed in the previous video. So next is one more example we can take. We are having 7,56,484 from 9,46,564. So let's take one more example. So now we are having 7,56,484 from 9,46,564. As we know, while doing subtraction, we write the larger number on the above side as a minuend. So here 9,46,564 will be on the above side and 7,56,484 will be at below as subtrahend. So first step, we will write the place value table on the above side of the number, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. As we already discussed that when we read the number, we start from the left side, and when we start calculation, we start from the right side. So from the ones place, we start subtracting the numbers. 4 minus 4, it's possible. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now moving to the left side at tens place, we are having 6. 6 minus 8 is not possible. So now we will do what we will do. We will borrow one number from the next 100 friend. Now from 100 we will take 1, that will become at tens place 6 will become 16, and at 100 place 5 will become 4 because 5 has given his 1 to the tens number. So here 16 minus 8, you can count on the finger next to 8, that is 9 to 16. How many? Count on your fingers. Yes, quickly count on your fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, these are 8. So we write 8 at the tens place. Now moving to the left side, 100 place, we are having 4 now. We will consider 4, not 5, because we cut the 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now again moving to the left side at 1000 place, 6 minus 6 also 0. Now moving to the again left side 10,000 place. Here we are having 4. 4 minus 5 again not possible. So again we will borrow from the left side friend, that is lakh. From 9 lakh we will borrow one number, and at 10,000 it will become 14, and lakh place it will remain 8 only because one number is given to the 10,000 now. So 14 minus 5, again count it on your finger next to 5, that is 6. From 6 to 14, count the numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, we are having 9 fingers. So we write 9 at the 10,000 place. Next is again to the left side. At lakh place, 8 minus 7. So now we will not consider 9, we will consider 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. So this is the sum when you arrange the numbers in column and find the difference.